here we go. We have natural numbers, and natural numbers are like just numbers that you originally count with. You know, like 1, 2, 3, 4, but they don't involve a 0 before the 1. And what we mean by that is we're gonna go into the next one, which is whole numbers. Now these are called whole numbers. Now whole numbers are the same like natural numbers. The only difference is the 0, which we talked about in the natural numbers. Now you're probably wondering, yeah, some of us know that, some of us don't, and yeah, blah blah. We already know this, but what you didn't know is that before the 0, there are numbers called integers, which are like negatives. You know, negatives are like positives. It's just that they have it's the opposite of positive. All right, so like -1, 0, 1. You see the difference? The only difference between negatives and positives is that positives don't have anything before it. Negatives have a minus sign before it, or a subtraction. Now you can use these to like multiply, divide, and stuff. And once you do that, once you multiply, divide, or whatever, there's something called rational numbers. These numbers include things like fractions, decimals, and percent. Sorry. Now, these also include stuff like square root, squaring, things like that. But there's one more of this family, of this real numbers family, that is the opposite of rational.
It's called irrational numbers.
Thank you, my assistant.
I got you.
Thanks. It is called irrational. Or irrational. I prefer irrational. Irrational numbers. Now, what you notice here is that the ear, and what ear means is like all the other ones, like important, like that's unimportant, like yeah. So it's basically the opposite of irrational. These things include something like pi, which is spelled just pi, or negative square rooting, like say like square root of 9, -9. And that's pretty much it of the family tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like in the description below. And I think we'll be making more of these videos soon.
This isn't going on YouTube.
And go check out our channel at missmorelandschannel.com.
Oh.